In other areas, for example, their investments, they recently bought OpenTable. That's obviously a much lower price point than booking and a flight, obviously more fits more into a mobile model. What do you think about that strategy, not only of OpenTable, but just of buying other companies within that kind of complementary idea?
Sure. So what we're seeing with Priceline's acquisition of OpenTable, TripAdvisor recently bought a similar company as well called La Fourchette, are these big U.S. online travel companies looking to extend their brand or extend their reach beyond kind of the travel and research and booking phase to really sort of the in-destination or on-site purchases phase of a leisure trip. And really what's enabling this is mobile. Booking a restaurant reservation while you're in destination, booking a museum tour while you're in destination. These are all interesting and complementary potential businesses for the large online travel brands. And again, enabled by the fact that you've got a smartphone in your pocket while you're traveling, and it most likely has the app for one of these big brands. So an exciting potential complementary business, but it's still somewhat early.
So much of the business is coming internationally. Can you talk a little bit about where the best opportunities are? Is it all about China, or are there other regions that look really interesting?
Sure. So I'd say broadly speaking, there are a lot of exciting markets for the online travel agencies outside of the U.S. Really, online hotels is still the most attractive business from sort of an economics perspective. Europe, we still think, has got some solid years of kind of overall industry growth ahead of it. We estimate around 40% of leisure travel bookings happen online, which leaves about 60% still happening via offline channels. So still opportunity for the large online travel agencies to grow in the European market still, but clearly the really big market opportunities are in Asia, places like Asia Pacific, as well as Latin America. China also poses a very interesting opportunity, but one with some unique challenges. There are a few examples of U.S. internet companies that have done a really good job executing in China. Priceline recently did a deal with Ctrip in order to kind of participate in the growth of that market. But we'll still have to wait and see. Right now, Priceline's focus in Asia has really been focused on sort of ex-China Asia, and we think it's building a very strong business there.